Hi everyone! Welcome! Today, we're going to unlock a cool feature on your Steam Deck. We will enable the back buttons. These buttons are also called grip buttons. They can significantly improve your gameplay experience. They are easy to set up. Let's get started. First, let's understand what these back buttons are. The Steam Deck has 4 back buttons. They are located on the rear of the device. These buttons are designed for comfort. They can be customized to mimic other inputs. This will let you perform actions more easily. Think jumping, reloading, or using special abilities without taking your thumbs off the sticks. Now, here's how to enable and customize them. First, launch a game on your Steam Deck. Once the game is running, press the Steam button. This opens the Steam overlay. Then, navigate to the controller settings. You will see an option called Controller Settings or something similar. Select this option. Next, you'll see a visual representation of your Steam Deck's controller layout. Look for the back buttons. They are usually labeled as L4, L5, R4, and R5. Click on the back button you want to customize. A menu will appear. This menu allows you to assign a variety of functions to that button. You can map it to a keyboard key. You can map it to a mouse click. Or, you can map it to another controller button. The possibilities are vast. Choose the function you want. For example, you might want to map R4 to the button for jumping in a platformer. Or, you might map L5 to the X button for reloading in a shooter. Experiment with different mappings. Find what works best for you and the game you're playing. Advanced customization is also available. You can create different controller profiles. This lets you have unique back button configurations for different games. To do this, in the controller settings, look for an option to create new layout or save as new layout. You can then name your layout for easy recognition. This is super helpful, especially if you play a variety of games with different control schemes. Another cool feature is action layers. Action layers allow you to create a completely different set of mappings. You can activate these mappings with a button press. This effectively doubles the number of actions you can perform with your back buttons. To use action layers, find the Action Layers section in the controller settings. Create a new layer. Then, assign functions to your back buttons within that layer. You'll also need to assign a button to activate Layer Shift. This button will toggle between your default mappings and the action layer mappings. This is a more advanced technique. It can be incredibly powerful for complex games. Enabling the back buttons will improve your gameplay significantly. These buttons help you perform actions without moving your fingers. This means faster reactions. It also allows more comfortable and intuitive control. Don't be afraid to experiment with different mappings. Find the perfect setup for each game you play. Now you know how to unlock the full potential of your Steam Deck. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Now you can configure those back buttons. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful. Subscribe to the channel for more Steam Deck tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what you're using your back buttons for. See you in the next video.